my first solo adventure for quite a long time. I'm on Bull Ant Spur going downhill. I've just picked up the track here, right near the top, and going down to the West Canungra track. Just showing, it has rained last night. It says there's 70% chance of rain today, but it's fine. It's just yeah, it's a bit slippery underfoot, but this is, you know, got heaps of stuff to break your slide, so all good. It's not the steepest track there is, but it is steep on the way up. Just for navigation hints, as you're coming down, you see this big drop off here. I'm following the spur, and every chance you have, you going left, because right will often get steep. I was looking at where there was a way down here because of heaps of vines in that area there, and I noticed the ridge, the spur keeps continuing over this way, which is a lot safer, so I veered left, and the track isn't as visible because a lot of leaves have fallen down and branches have come down, so you just got to keep following this left hand side and you'll get to West Canungra circuit. Here I am on West Canungra Creek circuit. Got here in 35 minutes. Probably going to be something like 50 to 55 on the way up because it's so steep for tired legs. And yeah, I'm heading down now towards Yarralala Pool. Right now I'm at Yarralala Pool. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, or just after 8, and there's nobody here. So nobody would be here, being the furthest part of the track. I'm going across that set of rocks there. I finally hit it. Not far downstream from Yarralala is Purragulli Creek. This is where I'll be exploring today. It is quite slippery because of all the rains. Here we go. This is the beginning of Purragulli. Quite open at this stage, which is good. More open creek bowl. Two steep sides around here. I think I'm about 200 metres up the creek. I found my first cascade. Trying to find a way over. I'd say the pool is too deep. I don't want to swim. I could climb up those stairs by the side, by the middle of it, but I think that side's the easiest to start on. This is the side that's the easiest to finish on. Unbelievable. I just got to the top of the first cascade, and it's a second cascade straight after it. Just dropping into the creek, hopefully without slipping because it's wet. This is a chute for the first cascade. Interesting. This is right here, cascade number 2. There's a cascade just down there. I didn't film it, but there's a series of cascades through here. These ones not as impressive as the one I just saw below, but yeah, here they are. These are my first cascades for a while. They're the third set of cascades this one is, and an interesting overflow. just over there. Still at level 1. Slippery. Level 2. Put that right on. Looks like a pretty good interesting things over there. That's right on. I'll keep it. Okay. This is where the overflow goes. There's a cascade here, but it's all obscured by the trees, the foliage and the rocks. Maybe something above it. This is a low flow creek. There's a cascade here and it's completely choked up with non-stinging metal. There's some metal in here somewhere. Something stung me. It's not that stuff. Yeah. This is a cascade. Yeah. It's come into an area that's really horrible. There's about 4 fallen trees. I've climbed a few to get up here. And I'm right on one now. I might have to go underneath that one that's hanging over. Actually, there's 2 more that are hanging over, so I'm going under them as well. Not far after that choke point at the moment. Oh, it's slippery. I'm getting nothing but obscured, choked up cascades. So this is another one. Pretty soon I'll work next to me. Going up this cascade, hopefully not slipping back onto it. That's all I'm getting at the moment. Judges wide cascade. This is a cascade, pretty much in the position where I picked my first waterfall. So this looks like it's one of 2 payloads that we're getting here. Yeah. So I'm in the middle level. Here's that cascade. And there's the upper level of it. I just turned the camera off. There's the upper level of the cascade. Just there's another possible a cascade. I'm not sure if it's waterfall worthy, but you might see it in the background there. That supposed waterfall is just a cascade. It's got a pool. I'm just in front of it because in the background you can see there's another level of the cascade there. So, got to get up above this one. Doesn't look like anything too hard. This is the little pool. Yes, it's another cascade. Look at the amazing pool below it. There's another level right up above it, a tiny level. There actually is a waterfall. Don't know if this can pick it up, but there it is. Not a huge one, but good enough. Oops. Not the hugest waterfall. Oops. Not the hugest waterfall, but here it is. I'm going to take a break to enjoy what I've made the effort for today, and then get my way out of here. Somewhere across here. Might try and get up there to the top just to check it out. There might be an easier way. Yep, here I am on the top of the falls. There's a little cascade here. I'd say that's my easy way out. I'll go across this same altitude more or less, funnel into a spur and then get out of here. I'm just going to check if there's one more above this, just in the odd chance. I'm expecting it to flatten out though. This is so choked up here, but the way there's a hill right in front of me, I'm expecting a waterfall. I just can't see it because it's just so much foliage here. I was right, there is a waterfall. It's so choked up you can't see it. I'm going to have to send up my drone to inspect. Gone half a kilometre across the side of this spur to get to the top of it and find my way down this way. It's easier here already. I found this also the case on Kinga, so I'll follow this down to West Purragulli Creek. Yes, it was a battle to get underneath the vines and things like that. I'm on the ridgeline now. Look at this amazing fig tree. It's killed the host already. It's forming a tree of its own.